Hi everyone, I'm Jo from Elsie Grays, and in this video I will show you the latest addition to the Joanna's Hexie Garden quilt kits. With the success of our Joanna's Hexie Garden kits made from Tilda fabrics, we have now put together two new options featuring some of our favourite reproduction fabrics. These two kits include several Australian fabric designers along with a selection of French general fabrics, hand-picked to create two colourway options. The first kit features an assortment of reds, browns and creams, while the second kit consists of a wider range of colours including blues, greens, blacks and gold. Both kits include 500 pre-cut 2¼ inch hexies. If you wish to make your quilt larger, we also have extension packs available for purchase. If you would like to add one of our Elsie Grays crocheted edge borders, we offer matching yarn to put that gorgeous finishing touch to your quilt. We have chosen 4 different colours of Fiddlesticks Wren, or you can decide on one colour for your crocheted edge. Each kit includes a step-by-step colour pattern along with a template if you wish to fussy cut some additional fabric. You can also visit our YouTube tutorial on how to hand piece a hexagon quilt. Please see links below. Thanks for watching, and please remember to like, share and leave a comment.